Hello, today we'll be demoing the pivot point auto stakeout function in Trimble Access Mines. With an imported design file, Mines will automatically locate and stake out pivot points of a blast hole ring. Mines will project the pivot point onto the mine back for efficient marking, and save time by using the auto stakeout function or by calculating the point's location in the field. Navigate to the auto stakeout menu to access the function. You can use points from a design file or staked points from the current job center line. Either way, verify that they appear. Choose a point naming convention along with the point code, and fine-tune your EDM paste settings along with if you want to store these points or not. Once your function begins, the SX12 will point a green laser at the point onto the mine back. If you're staking multiple, the auto stake timer allows the surveyor to go as fast as they want.